Just Eat voucher code, how to use Just Eat gift card. If you want to use your Just Eat gift card or voucher code, all you have to do is simply launch your Just Eat application. If you have got any sort of promo code, voucher code, discount code, coupon code, gift card as well, you can redeem all in one place within Just Eat. Once you log into your account, tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. From here, under your account page, you'll find the option called Account Credit. Go to the Account Credit button. As soon as you've done that, you can see here, you can check your account credit balance or add a code or gift card to top it all. So here you can see if you got a code, you can enter the code. Just enter your respective code, whatever else you have in this case. Then you can tap on the Redeem Code button in order to redeem it. This way you will be able to use your Just Eat voucher code. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.